What gives cardamom its distinctive aroma and flavor? The answer lies not only in the spice itself, but also in how it is processed. Cardamom, often called the queen of spices, has been prized for centuries and is widely used in food, beverages, herbal formulations, and wellness products around the world. The journey begins in carefully cultivated cardamom farms, where the pods are harvested at peak maturity. Skilled farmers handpick the ripe green cardamom pods to ensure the best flavor, aroma, and quality. The cardamom is carefully dried under controlled conditions. Proper drying helps reduce moisture while preserving the spice's natural essential oils and aromatic compounds. Once the desired moisture level is achieved, the dried cardamom pods undergo further inspection and sorting to maintain quality standards. The pods are then processed through precision grinding equipment. This step transforms the dried cardamom into a fine, uniform powder while helping retain its characteristic fragrance. The powder is carefully sieved to achieve a consistent particle size and smooth texture. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while maintaining its nutritional integrity. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and quality parameters in our quality control process, ensuring it meets international standards. Finally, our organic cardamom powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and exported worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options, packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Medikonda nutrients, precision processed for global excellence.